Hello folks, and welcome back. Today, or this evening, we're at SM Aura. We're at BGC. We're here looking for what sights we could see and some club hopping and maybe some cool experiences here in BGC. So come join me. I'll show you the sights of this place and we can check out BGC. Right now we're in SM Aura. We're gonna go check that out before it closes, and then we'll show you some high street and whatever else I could film here at BGC. Let's go. Yeah, nice. Beautiful lights here at the entrance. Nice. Miko! Miko! Alright, so it's very festive here at SM Aura. Very beautiful setups and displays of the lights. My son's enjoying it. He's digging the Christmas trees and the lights here. Let's go show you more. Over there, I kind of see some skate spots, so that's pretty interesting to me. Looks like tons of cool ledges over there. You skate. Interesting. Only problem is you got security guards running around with shotguns, so you can't really, skate this. But beautiful, beautiful place here at BGC. This is just the outside, but it's already looking super beautiful. Let's go check out the inside. I can already see it, and it's looking tons of more festive lights and stuff. Yo, we're at SM Aura. This shit looking fire. Beautiful Christmas displays. What you doing? Shit. Mac, where we at?
SM Aura.
Well, what's that doing over there? Photo shoot. Putang na, model. Yeah, modeling the boots.
Parada.
All right, guys, we're inside Aurora. Oh, Marc Jacobs. This is the bottom floor. There's a Starbucks right here. But I really just want to show you the Christmas decorations. Very beautiful. Yeah. Look at this giant ass giraffe. Very photogenic spot here at the BGC. SM Aura. Great stuff. I hope you guys are enjoying the videos I've been putting out. Please leave me a comment where you want to see me go next. Subscribe if you haven't, so you can be updated on live streams, new uploads, and more. And don't forget to leave me a like if you like this video. Beautiful. All right, gotta be honest, man. This place is huge. Of course, in the malls, what I do notice in, especially with BGC and SMs, there's pet friendly. You could bring dogs and stuff. You can bring dogs in the malls here. I'm not used to that because I'm from Guam. But yeah, let's go check out more sites. A lot of sites, a lot of stuff to show you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy. Let's go. Hey, go ahead. All right, folks. So, SM Aura closes at 10 p.m. at the moment. It's already like 9:50. I don't think I'll get to show you everything, but I hope you guys enjoy this for now. But it looks like it's a lot of high-end shops here, like brands as well, and of course, more retail and shopping. All right, so a lot of places are closing in BGC, but I hope you guys are still gonna enjoy these virtual walks. This area here in BGC is actually called Surrender Mall. There's pretty cool stuff, beautiful architecture, even skate goods. Look at that, cool skate spots, cool bench. Oh yeah, this is Surrender Mall. It's right across Market. We're gonna have to come back here again and show you guys the sights and give you more virtual sights and tours of this place when it's not closed. But yeah, check out Surrender Mall. We're gonna just keep walking through, show you random sites in BGC, and I hope you guys still enjoy. Let's go. Hold hand. All right, guys. We just finished Surrender Mall, and right across is Bonifacio High Street. Let's go check it out. Again, I hope you're enjoying these closed view sites of BGC. At least you get to see the nightlife here. Right now we're approaching the Bonifacio High Street. And it looks busy. But even if everything's closed and it's dark, it's still busy. So this is a high street, a closed high street. I guess they turn out the lights, but there's still tons of people here walking around, exploring the city. Alright, so yeah, I'm not sure what there is to really show you, but this is BGC After Hours. I hope you guys are enjoying it. BGC After Hours, we just finished High Street. Over here is one of the biggest Nike stores in Asia, that I believe. Check it out. This place is safe. There's like guards over there. We're heading over to Moto Street. All right, After Hours. I'm not sure if you guys like this, but I'm gonna film whatever there is, and we'll have to come back here and visit for another video. Either way, I hope you enjoy this cool street views of High Street, BGC. It's a cool Christmas tree. We'll go check that out over there. There's still people lounging around. Night crawlers, you know. Look at that kid go. I don't know if he sees the stairs. Damn. I love how in BGC you could get these random ass scooters and just, you know, rent them out and drive it around the whole city. And then you could leave it at the charging ports. Oh, Shake Shack. Do a kickflip. Oh, there's rollerbladers. Or what do you call this? I forgot what they're called. Yeah, bladers. That's cool. Wow, every time we go somewhere, the lights turn off. Hey, there's that 3D billboard. This is brand new. This just opened up. This is cool. Pow pow!
We should be heading.
This way. Alright, so we're in Chowking. It's gonna be my first time eating Chowking. We're gonna eat Chowking, and I'm gonna call the video there, man. Today's not a meant to be day, but I hope you guys enjoyed the views either way. I'm gonna show you Chowking food, and yeah, we'll eat some, and then we're gonna call the video there. That is Chowking's. What is this called?
Loria.
Huh?
Chicken Loria.
Lori Yap. What else you guys get? Oh, let's see, Jim. Somai and rice, and the 2 bowls.
This is my fried rice.
Somai fried rice. What yours?
My fried rice.
Oh, you guys got that? What's that one?
My fried rice. Coke.
And then this.
Muchi.
Muchi. And then what's that one? Soup?
What? Ano to? What is called? Wonton.
Wonton, mommy. Okay.